How to fix you have too many friends on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open a Snapchat app on your device and tap your profile at top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and navigate to My Friends. Now you need to find a friend you want to remove. Simply you can tap and hold on this particular friend and then tap on Manage Friendship option, and here you can easily tap on Remove Friend and tap on Remove. Once you have done this, you can easily remove some friends and try adding new ones again. So this is the one method to remove unnecessary friends, and second is simply you need to head to the profile again, tap the setting icon at top right, scroll down to the support section and then tap on Help Center, select Contact Us button. Select I need help with this Snapchat feature. Scroll down and then look for the option of friends. Select adding, deleting, or blocking friends and then choose contact Snapchat support. You simply need to enter your username, email, and your feedback and select the submit button. Once done, Snapchat will provide you the ultimate solution to fix you have too many friends on a Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.